BBC Breakfast, Naga Munchetty discusses Saturday Kitchen. Sign up for free now for the biggest moments from morning TV. Subscribe and valid email. When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these newsletters. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or services. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any. In a shake-up to the weekend schedule, BBC Breakfast hosts Charlie Stayed and Naga Munchetty will be replaced by John Kay and Rachel Burden as they swap the new studio. For the pair will join Matt Butt on Saturday Kitchen to talk about their friendship on screen and taste some delicious dishes cooked up by Yotam Idol. Matt and Chef Yotam are joined by special guests Naga and Charlie on Saturday morning for the latest installment of the popular BBC Cook. There will also be moments from the BBC Food Archive, including clips from Rick Stein, Keith Floyd, Nadia Hussain, Sam Evans, and Shauna Gwynn, and drinks expert Helen McGinn joins via video link to pick the wines to go with the studio dish. Teasing what viewers will see, Naga admitted she won't be behind the hob as she's banned from cooking. Naga is not here. I'm here with Rachel tomorrow morning because you and Charlie are on Saturday Kitchen tomorrow. Naga replied, yeah, I'm really excited. As her co-host asked, are you cooking or? No, not allowed to cook. Naga, not allowed to cook but not a bad thing. John probed, COVID restrictions or just taste and decency? COVID resections and well yeah, both. Not talking of taste and decency, here's a man who always upholds that on this. Hello Matthew. The pair then turned to weather presenter Matt Taylor, who updated viewers on the latest forecast for them. Earlier on BBC Breakfast, Naga refused to help out John when he mixed up his wife with a story they were discussing. The BBC News website has a story about a man whose wedding ring fell into a pile of rubbish in a 10-foot container at a tip. Naga, fortunately for James Ross, it was found, unsurprisingly, caked in grime. I think that's a nice way of putting it. Who knows what it was? It was found by staff at the tip after they sifted through mounds of rubbish to find. That's going to be one very grateful man. John replied, it's a brilliant story, isn't it? Apparently James told the BBC that he was dreading, because of it was Valentine's Day, he was dreading going back home and saying to my wife, not only have I, he continued before trailing off. John quickly corrected himself, not my wife, his wife, and telling her. Trending, this is going down a whole different avenue, isn't it? Naga. Her co-host continued, let's move on, let's look inside. They thought it was a washer they had found at the bottom of the skip, but it was the. As he tried to move on, he begged, help me. But Naga replied, help you? No, I just thought I'd let you keep digging.